everyone. Now welcome back to a class. So we are doing with decimal chapter we are doing. Today I will teach you subtraction. How you will do subtraction of decimal. So here you see the number is given here. What number given? 0.3 from 0.5. So here it is whole place, then after decimal, then this is the decimal part. 3 is in decimal part. Now you see 3 is in which place? That 0.33 is in which place? You have to see 3 is in tens place. It is tens place. 3 is in tens place. So what you will do, you will arrange that one. This from this means this one you have to write on top. So you will write here number 1. How you will write? 0.5 minus 0.3. 0.5 minus 0.3. What you are getting? If you will minus 5 tenths from 5 tenths minus 3 tenths, then what you will get? 5 tenths minus 3 tenths, you will get 2 tenths. What you will get? 2 tenths. So answer is 0.2. What is the answer? 0.2. Clear it is? In second case, what you are seeing, the number is given you 1.75. 1.75 and here 2.8. 2.8. This means it is given this from this. From this number you have to minus this number. Okay? From this number you have to minus this number. Now what you have to do here? You have to see that which place which number is there. So in this case what you are seeing that 1 is in which place? 1 is in whole place. And after that point decimal place is there, and in decimal part what number is there? 7 and 5. In decimal part 7 and 5 is there in decimal part. Okay, 7 in which place? Tens place, and 5 in hundreds place. 7 in tens place and 5 in hundreds place. And here you are seeing that it is given 2.8. What it is given? 2.8. 2 is here. 2 in which place? 2 is in whole place, and decimal part, decimal this one, and in decimal part what is given there? 8. Now you see that 8 in which place? 8 in 10th place. In 100 place what is that? Number is not there. So you will consider that 0. Okay. Now you have to arrange and you have to subtract that number. So how you will arrange? First you will write here 2.8. Yes. Second number minus 1.75. So in 100 place what you will write here? 0. Nothing is there, you will write there 0. So what you will do? That 10 minus 5. First you will minus this 100 place. So 10 minus 5, what you will get here? 5. After that you will, which place you will touch that? Tens place. In tens place, here it is that, what is given there? 7. Okay, because 1 you have carried here, 7 is left. 7 minus 7. What you will write here? 7 minus 7, 0. Okay, 7 minus 7, what you got here? 0. Then after that, you will put your decimal. Then come to the whole place. In whole place, what is there written? 2 minus 1. So 1. What will be the answer? 1.05. What is the answer? 1.05. Clear it is? Now you see in number 3. What is given in number 3? 2.106. What is given? 2.106 from 4.417. So from this number you have to minus this. So what you are seeing that after point, decimal part is there, here also decimal part. So which place is there here? Tens, hundred and thousands place. Here also tens, hundred and thousands place. So first what you will write here, that 4.417 minus 2.106. Now you will minus this one. 7 minus 6, you will get 1. Which place first you will do? From right hand side you will do the subtraction. Which place you will take? That thousands place you will take. Okay, now 7,000 minus 6,000, what you will get? 1. Now here 1 minus. Next you will, which place you will see? That 100 place. 1 minus 0. That means it will come here 1. Next you will go to the tens place. In tens place it is given the 4 and 1. 4 minus 1, answer will be 3. Then decimal you will put here, and here you see 4 and 2 is there. So if you will minus 4 minus 2, you will get here 2. So what is the answer here? Answer you got 2.311. What answer you got? 2.311. Now what you have learned today? Today you have learned that how you will subtraction of decimal. What you have learned? That subtraction of decimal. So in number 1 question, what you have seen that if number is given, so 0.3 from 0.5 you have to subtract. So from means from this number you have to subtract that number. So you have to see that after point how many digits are there. So we have seen that after point 1 digit is there. Then which place that is known as? That is known as tens place. Okay, now you will arrange the number. What you will do? You will arrange the number. Now you will, after arranging, you will minus the tens place. From right hand side, you will do your subtraction. So you will minus that tens place. 5 tens minus 3, what you will get? 2. And after there 0. So what answer you got in first case? First question, that 0.2. What is the answer? 0.2. Okay. Now in second question, what you are seeing that, what you have learned that it is given 1.75 minus 2.8. What is given there? 2 after decimal. Here it is 2 digit is there, and in second number after decimal 1 digit is there. So after decimal, that first digit it is 7 given, that is which place? Tens place. And second number 5 given, that is which place? 100 place. In second number from this, what you are seeing that after decimal 1 digit is given. Which place is given? Only tens place. So now you will arrange the number. We have written here 2.8 and 1.75. Okay. So what we will see that here 100 place is nothing is there. So we will write here 0. What you will put there? 0. Now you will start your subtraction from right hand side. Then which place is there? 100 place you will start. Okay. Then 10 minus 5. What you got? 5. So we have written here. Now 1 you have taken here. That means how much left here? 7. So after completing 100 place, which place you will touch? That tens place. 7 tens minus 7 tens. What you will get? 0. So I have written here 0. Then after you will put the decimal. Then before decimal what number given there? 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So we have written there. What answer we got? That 1.05. Understood? It is clear to you all how you will do the subtraction if it is given in tens place or 100 place. Now next one we will do, we will see the subtraction. Next number, it is given after point, 3 digit is given there. How many digit? 3 digit. Here also 3 digit. That means tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay. From this from this means this number you have to write first. Then you will write this number. So you will start your subtraction from right hand side. Right hand side, first which place is there? First it is given there thousands place. Tens, hundred and thousands. So we will start our subtraction from thousands place. So 7 minus 6, what you will get there? 1. 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. Then 4 minus 2, 2. So what answer you got here? 2.311. What answer? 2.311. Now it is clear to you all. What? If question is given you only in tens place, you can do the subtraction. Tens and hundreds, you will do the subtraction. And if it is given tens, hundred and thousands place, then also you can arrange and you can do the subtraction. Clear? So what you have learned today? Today you have learned how you will do the subtraction if it is given in decimal. Okay? So today this much only it is clear. Okay, bye bye student.